Hello, welcome back to Fabulous After 50. Today I am doing a long needed attempt to cover up some greys and roots. So I've got this big root regrowth here that you can see. What I'm using is a 20 developer with Coliston, I don't know how you pronounce it, Coliston Perfect in light blonde, I think. I hope. if you're doing this at home, I am not a hairdresser. This is just something I'm trying on myself, see if it works. And like Davina and Holly Willoughby and everybody else that shows themselves dyeing the hair on TV, always do your patch test. So the mixture's actually looking quite clumpy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with the roots, which are the darkest parts here, and I'm going to use this part, and I think I'm going to start off with it sort of in a centre-ish parting, and then I am just going to apply all along here, a bit more I think. Just a bit wary that it's quite watery, I don't want it dripping everywhere. And let's get started on this side. Oh gosh, it looks so messy already. And then I'm going to take that and go the other side. If any hairdressers are watching, I'm not a hairdresser, and I am doing it on myself, so right, so I've got it all applied. I forgot to say that my mixture is 2 capfuls of this to 4 capfuls of the developer. So I'll just leave it now. I'll be back once it's all done and dried, and we'll see how it goes. And this is how it looks afterwards. It does look as if the roots have gone. Not sure about the greys. think I'll be able to tell a little bit more if I straighten my hair. I don't think it looks too bad, really. I'm just showing you here how it looks in different lights. I don't think it looks too bad. The roots are certainly gone. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. I think we're all getting by and doing our hair at home during lockdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.